Hey guys, how are you doing? Okay, so before I begin today's session, let me quickly give you a brief about what is going to be happening. So, we are going to be meeting with someone today, of course, because this is one of our toppers speak session. So, of course, I'm sure you can see our guest on the screen, but I will tell you a little bit more about him. Very interesting guy. But meantime, let me first do my quick round of announcements and then we will start with all that we have that our guest today has to share. So guys, remember AbhiCat Live is my referral code to unlock all the Unacademy free courses and also to subscribe to our Unacademy Plus and Iconic courses. Our CAT Iconic batches are live, so you can take a one-to-one live mentorship, speak with your mentor, clear your doubts, discuss your concepts, discuss your exam strategy, build your customized study plans, and so on. Here are some of our CAT 2020 results. My very own Piyush Pratik, of course. Alright, some new batches starting 21st July, 24th July and 28th July, master batch, accelerator batch and revision batch here. You can all join any of these batches by using AbhiCat Live as your referral code. Campus placement IT for IT jobs is also happening. We've got two batches. The Achiever batch starts 23rd of July and the Hall of Fame batch starts 28th of July. The offer is valid till 28th of July, guys. Again, use AbhiCat Live to get your enrollment and also to get a 10% off. Our scholarship test happens every Sunday. This Sunday also it will happen. So just make sure you join the combat at noon every Sunday. You can scan this QR code or you can use my referral code, that is AbhiCat Live, and join. All right, you can maximize your CAT and other MBA trends entrance test scores with Unacademy. We've got some brand new products: a 6-month Iconic subscription, a 2-year Iconic subscription, 18-month plus subscription, and a CAT plus campus placement offer. The fee, of course, you can see as it is here: 25,800. 60,000 for a 2-year program, 28,550 for an 18-month plus program, and 12-month and 6 months of the CAT plus campus program at 29,624 and 19,916. All right, again, you can also get a 10% off on this fees also, guys. So that's a bit about our courses. Guys, I have got a number of courses ongoing: the Score Booster, Legend, and the VRC batches. At present, of course, guys, you know the advanced course is happening on Fridays. 1000 practice is happening Mondays to Thursdays. Detailed course on para-based questions is happening Monday to Thursday. And of course, the weekend course is happening Saturdays and Sundays. So that's a lot about what we were discussing, guys. Everything, announcements are done. Let me now stop sharing and let me now bring you back to my original screen. So okay, let me introduce my guest to you. So I've got with me one of my students who studied with me in CAT 2020 and who's done wonders with his CAT result. I'll welcome Shashank. I'm so happy to have you here with me today.
Same here, ma'am. Thank you.
How are you doing?
I am fine, ma'am.
How is
Just
B
started with
school?
the yeah.
How is
Yes,
B
just
school
started with the
treating you?
classes.
Started with your
Ma'am,
classes?
it's yeah, ma'am. It's for a starting, it's really hectic, but I'm getting with the pace, and it's really fun with the class.
It is fun. Oh, that's very
Yeah.
nice. That's wonderful. We'll talk a little bit about your B school experience as it has been. But first, let's get started with your CAT journey. So tell me, Shashank, tell all our students about your background and where you come from and what made you decide that you wanted to go for CAT.
Okay, so my name is Shashank, and I am currently lives in Bhopal. So I have done my engineering in computer science, and after that, I got placed in an IT company where I worked for almost 2 years. So I worked in Pune. So when I started my CAT preparation journey, I was living in Pune, and the lockdown happened. So I was alone in the Pune, and I started prep from there only. So for deciding the CAT, it's just like I've done I've done the work in the IT company for the 2 years. So it's just like कि एक growth हो जाती है, stagnant हो जाता है वो. Like I'm not learning enough and I'm not enjoying that stuff. So I've talked to one or two of my friends who are already doing MBA. So they told me कि you can either switch the company or you can switch the domain. So for that reason, I guess I choose for the cat prep
So
at
what
that
were you
time.
doing in your company? What was your profile like? Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, actually, I was my profile was estate consultant, so it is a service-based company. So so my client is it is okay, so I can tell the client's name. It is Ameriprise Financial, is a US-based company. So I was assisting. I was in the production support project of theirs. So it mostly it mostly consists the batch handling of the whole batch. So it is a daily. It's a repetitive thing. It's not a learning thing कि मैं कुछ learn कर रहा हूँ daily. So for a starting first year, it was like कि हाँ ठीक है, it is a new thing for me. But for the second year, I'm not learning anything और फिर वो it it get bored after some time.
Okay.
So I just want something new. I want to learn something new.
Okay.
That's it. And another reason for going for MBA is like कि my manager is also an MBA
Okay.
there. So when I see him talking to the client directly, so I really fascinated कि ये लोग बात क्या करते हैं? So what are they thinking? The how they are coming to a solution. So I'm really fascinated about that too. So yeah, that's another reason.
Okay. So you got interested in MBA because you were seeing your boss, and also because your work was very repetitive and very
Yeah,
monotonous and tedious.
because our work is on the back end region, and they are doing the front facing job.
Right.
So the whole routine of the manager is like कि, they have to deal with the clients. They have to come with a problem. All of the stuff doing with the client itself. So yeah, it's really fascinating. कि,
So
हाँ.
tell me something. If you had stayed in your company, how much and had been just an engineer, how much time would you have required to become a manager?
To be honest, I guess around 5 to 6 years. अगर minimum if I consider to 4 years तो लग जाता है.
Minimum
It
4
would
years
take
लग
4 years.
जाते. Okay.
4 years, then still not guarantee कि मैं manager level पे जाता. I be a lead of the project or
Okay.
somewhat that.
Okay. So
It depends on the company to company.
So you might have become a project lead or you might have become a
Yeah.
manager, but there was no
Exactly.
guarantee that you would
Guarantee.
have gotten that. Okay.
Actually, I have seen one of my colleague. She was working for around 5 years in the same company, and she was still not in a manager level position or not in a lead position.
Okay.
So yeah.
So then you could see that there was not really a great future there, and therefore, okay. So now I understand why you wanted to get into, the B school scenario, and attraction तो था ही कि manager वाले level पे काम करना है, which I think
Yes,
is
yes,
something that everybody wants to improve their profile, to improve their careers, and so on. All right. So then, how did you decide on Unacademy, and how did you come to our platform?
Actually, I was searching for the coaching classes and all in around in I guess May or June, May 2020. So I have seen an ad in the YouTube for an academy. So I give it a try for the free sessions. So and I like the like interaction, live interaction हो जाता है teachers के साथ and they are giving instant feedback to what your queries are. So yeah, it was a really nice experience for me. So then I decided in the June itself, I guess I take the subscription in the June.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
ओके सो व्हाट वाज योर प्रेपरेशन लाइक तुमने क्या शुरुआत से डिसाइड कर रखा था कौन कौन से एग्जाम्स दोगे क्या प्लान था क्या प्रेपरेशन कर रहे थे टेल अस ऑल अबाउट दैट
So when I joined in June, so I didn't able to give ample amount of time to the study because my job is still going on with that.
Okay.
So it is really difficult for me to give time to the study because the lockdown happens and the company hours also increased. Like before that, we have to work only 9 hours, but now it could be 12 hours, it could be 14 hours. We don't know. So uh, around July, I guess, I started to watch firstly Ravi Prakash's classes actually for the content DI. So I like his teaching, and then for English, I guess it's you. It's always you, I guess, from the starting to end. So your classes actually is really fun. I mean, it's not a boring session. It will fun. मतलब you also मतलब आप भी मजाक करते हो सबके साथ, इट्स अ फन सेशन टू बी ऑनेस्ट, एंड लर्निंग भी हो रही है उसके साथ, तो और क्या चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स को। See, and your classes is also flexible, right? You have a lecture on 12, you have a lecture on night itself. So if I get some time, so I can attend whatever time suits me. So it also helps me in the prep for that. And what else? What
सो
else
ओके,
happened?
सो तुम मुझे बताओ कि तुम अपना टाइम कैसे एलोकेट करते थे, कितना घंटा वर्क को, कितना घंटा पढ़ाई को, कैसे टाइम
So
एलोकेट
ma'am,
करते थे?
yeah. So ma'am, my work actually, it's a shift basis job.
ओके।
So yeah, so weekly मेरी shift change होती थी. Sometimes it's 7 to 4, तो morning 7 to 4, and sometimes it's 2:30 to night.
ओके।
So so one good thing for an academy is कि we can see the recorded session. So it really helps me with that, because if I have a shift in the morning, then I can watch the videos in the afternoon or midnight. So yeah, वैसे manage कर।
अच्छा, वैसे मैनेज कर लेते थे। कितने घंटे पढ़ते थे अपने सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन के लिए?
फॉर स्टार्टिंग तो मैम ज्यादा नहीं हो पाता था, लाइक 4 to 5 hours दे
जैसे
पाता था।
जुलाई टाइम में तुम कितना पढ़ रहे थे? अभी तो जैसे वी आर
जुलाई टाइम
हियर इन
में टू बी
जुलाई।
ऑनेस्ट मेरी पर्सनल रीडिंग नहीं हो पा रही थी। आई एम जस्ट यूज्ड टू वाचिंग द वीडियोस, क्योंकि मेरे को उतना ही टाइम मिल पाता था, राइट।
ओके ओके।
सो आफ्टर दैट मतलब जब आई गेस अक्टूबर के एंड तक, सो आई टेक द लीव फ्रॉम द कॉलेज, सॉरी आई टेक द लीव फ्रॉम द ऑफिस, एंड मैं फिर खुद का सेल्फ स्टडी करता था अक्टूबर में मोस्टली।
सो अक्टूबर एंड नवंबर यू डिड योर ओन सेल्फ स्टडी।
Yeah.
तो उस समय
For
कितना
me,
पढ़
it's
रहे थे?
a little bit hard actually to give office time and to study both in the same time, because I was stuck in Pune for that period, because it is a lockdown. So I have to do all the stuff by myself. जितना भी घर का काम था वो भी करना रहता था। So थोड़ा बहुत hard हो गया था उस time,
हाँ हाँ। एंड यू हैड
but
नो
still
वन, नो
manage हो गया।
रूममेट आल्सो, तो इसलिए और भी
Yeah,
स्टक
at night.
थे। ओके, तो घर का
तो
काम भी करना था और पढ़ाई भी करनी थी, वर्क भी करना
पढ़ाई
था।
भी ऑफिस भी करना।
सो ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट यू डिड मैनेज टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टडीइंग इन अक्टूबर एंड नवंबर।
हाँ, या।
ओके, तुम मुझे ये बताओ कि तुम कौन कौन से एग्जाम्स दिए थे? व्हाट वर द एग्जाम्स दैट यू रोट?
Ma'am, I give CAT, I give the SNAP, I give the ZAT, and I give that's it.
अच्छा,
तीन
कैट
ही
जैट
है।
एंड स्नैप, 3 एग्जाम्स दिए थे। ओके। अच्छा, मॉक्स कब से लिखना स्टार्ट किया? व्हेन डिड यू डिसाइड कि आई विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग मॉक्स एंड व्हाट वाज दैट टाइम?
I guess mid अगस्त के बाद से, on the mid August, yeah.
फ्रॉम मिड अगस्त, ओके। हाउ मेनी
Ma'am, you are
मॉक्स डिड
not
यू
audible.
राइट इन ऑल?
Ma'am, you are not audible.
अच्छा, कैन यू नॉट हियर मी नाउ?
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ,
Yeah.
ओके। सो हाउ मेनी मॉक्स डिड यू राइट इन ऑल? कितने मॉक्स लिखे थे तुमने?
Actually, for the starters, I had targeted कि at least 20-25 mocks का तो मैं करूँगा, but I target, but in the end, I only end up with 15 mocks.
ओके, अच्छा। और मॉक्स के साथ एनालिसिस भी कर रहे थे या वर यू जस्ट डूइंग द मॉक्स?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, एनालिसिस कर रहा था, इसलिए 15 मार्क्स हुए एक्चुअली। सो फॉर द फर्स्ट 5 to 6 मार्क्स मेरे मार्क्स बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं आए थे, एंड आई फील रियली लो कि दूं कि नहीं दूं, मतलब आई हैव सेल्फ डाउट कि शुड आई गो फॉर दिस ईयर, टेक अ ड्रॉप एंड गो फॉर अनदर ईयर। बट फॉर द टाइमिंग कि हाँ ठीक है, एनालिसिस करते गया, जस्ट आई एम गिविंग 3 to 4 hours फॉर द एनालिसिस पार्ट ओनली, and then after 7 to 8 marks, so my scores improved step by step थोड़ा,
ओके
so
ओके।
gradually increase हुआ।
तो एनालिसिस में क्या करते थे? चलो जरा हमें जस्ट टेल अस अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट योर एनालिसिस, व्हाट ऑल एग्जैक्टली वर यू डूइंग?
मैम सबका एनालिसिस का मतलब तरीका थोड़ा अलग होता है, सो व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग इज कि आई विल सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन बाय माय सेल्फ, देन लुक इनटू द आंसर कि व्हाट दे हैव गिवन द स्टेप, उनका क्या तरीका था जो सॉल्यूशन में दिया था, सो मैं वैसे करता था,
ओके, जो
इसलिए
क्वेश्चन,
इट्स अराउंड 3 to 4 hours मुझे लग जाता था, पूरा पेपर फिर से सॉल्व करता था।
ओके, जो क्वेश्चंस छोड़ देते थे उनको भी सॉल्व करते थे?
हाँ हाँ, यस मैम, यस पूरे
You were solving all the questions.
ऑल द क्वेश्चन, यस।
Okay, wonderful. Okay. So did you see some improvement in every mock that you were doing?
It's not like that. मतलब for the starter 5 mocks is like कि ठीक है, first 2 mocks मेरे अच्छे नहीं गए थे, then I is like that कि मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है third mock थोड़ा अच्छा जाएगा, but वो और कम हो गया।
Okay.
तो फिर मुझे और थोड़ा हुआ कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है, मतलब
Hmm.
ठीक है, but then I talk with my some of my friends मतलब who have already been in the MBA and who have already passed out from the MBA,
Hmm.
so they told me that कि ठीक है, you can you should not take a mock scores that seriously.
Hmm.
It's just the learning phase कि you are used to the pattern and used to the timing.
Hmm.
तो वो चीज देखो। मतलब फिर फर्दर मतलब फ्यूचर में फिर ठीक है, फिर हो गया था कि लाइक मैंने टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैम मैंने कभी ना स्कोर को उतना दिया नहीं।
Hmm.
क्योंकि इफ आई सी कि मेरे स्कोर ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं तो मैं वो चीज को नहीं देखता था कि ठीक है मेरे स्कोर डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं। आई जस्ट सी दैट कि मेरी टाइमिंग कैसे सुधर रही है, मैं अटेम्प्ट कैसे कर रहा हूँ एंड मेरी थिंकिंग कैसे डेवलप हो रही है कोई भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की। सो आई वाज फोकस ऑन दैट थिंग।
Okay. Because a lot of
इट्स मतलब
students are.
इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्टूडेंट टू स्टूडेंट। मतलब मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे जिनके स्कोर इनिशियली बुरे थे बट आफ्टर दैट इट इंक्रीजेस, मतलब वो लोग 99 ला रहे थे मॉक्स
Hmm.
में। एंड मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड ऐसे भी थे जिनको शुरू में अच्छे आए थे बट बाद में जाके उनके डिक्रीज हो गए।
Hmm.
सो इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट।
So actually, I think it what matters is how you take the mocks also, na? How you
हाँ
understand and how you don't get depressed. Because I speak to so many people who say, I wrote a mock, they will write 2 mocks and then say, I am depressed because my mock is not happening. So,
एग्जैक्टली।
so did that ever happen to you?
For the first 2 3 mocks it happened to me, then I talked to with my friends कि यार ये ऐसा हो रहा है, what should I do
Hmm.
in that. So they just told me कि ठीक है तू देते रह, वो
Hmm.
देखना बाद में जो होगा।
Hmm.
It just कि तू कुछ सीख तो रहा है ना उससे।
Hmm.
So I was like कि हाँ ठीक है मुझे पैटर्न का समझ आ गया है। मतलब if I go tomorrow to give a cat paper without giving any mocks,
Hmm.
so it will be like कि हाँ ये क्या मतलब what the pattern मैं पैटर्न से used to नहीं हूँ।
Hmm.
So it just की practice phase है। It really develops our ability to ठीक है। So what happens in the CAT exam we will prepare for that. So I will take that. I will take mocks on that way.
Hmm. Okay. So mocks were essentially a learning experience for you and
Yeah.
okay, very nice यार शशांक, very very nice. अच्छा, अब मुझे ये बताओ, मैं वापस आ रही हूँ थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट के लिए। तुम्हारा what was your plan for reading? Were you doing any reading? Because I want to bring back the focus a little bit to the preparation only because right now lots of people are preparing and they are having a lot
Yes.
of questions. Should I be reading? Should I not be reading? Should I be practicing RCs? What kind of questions? How much time to devote to maths? How much sets of LRDI do you need to do? So tell us a little bit about that also. So we'll first start with, let's start with quant first. So tell us how much hours were you devoting? I know you were devoting very few hours, but how was your quant prep planning done?
So for quants, I used to watch Ravi sir's classes. So he shared material with the some material for the quant.
Hmm.
So वो basic exercise थी, so वो एक बार कर लो solve. Then he used to say कि just go for the past previous mock.
Hmm.
So अगर उसके क्वेश्चन बन रहे हैं तो you can solve. But the first thing is like कि you have to clear your basic for the quants.
Hmm.
Like जो basic material होता है you have to first solve that thing.
Hmm.
Then उसके बाद you can go with the advanced quant questions.
Okay.
और वो quant मैंने वही
So
किया था।
एक एवरेज में कितने क्वेश्चन पर डे करने चाहिए?
30 would be good, I guess.
30 would be good.
For a top 30 to 40 questions.
30 to 40 questions. Okay. How about LRDI? You were following Ravi sir for
LRDI,
LRDI
yeah.
also?
Yeah, same. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So LRDI would be, I would suggest for the initial time, you can solve 2 to 3 sets daily,
Hmm.
and if 1 month remaining to the exam, so it should be around 4 to 5 sets daily.
Okay. So you need to solve at least 3 sets and then towards
On
the
an
exam.
average 3 to 4 sets daily.
Okay. And how much time do you take to solve one LRDI set approximately?
Uh, for starting it for me it would be like 15 to 20 minutes. Then
Okay.
so gradually it decreases the time. Like
Okay.
uh, for the final days, I was able to solve around 10 in 10 minutes, 10 to
Okay.
15 minutes max,
Okay. Okay.
max to
And 10
max.
minutes you were able to solve. All right. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay. Now come to the my section also. Tell us a bit about, because I keep telling everyone read, 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 but nobody listens to me.
Ma'am, you know very well now what you have told us, तो हम वही करते थे.
नहीं, तुम बताओ सबको कि क्या करते थे. What is it that you were doing for VRC?
So for your morning 9 a.m. session,
Hmm.
हिंदू आरसी वाला,
Hmm.
so whenever I got time, so मैं वो देख लेता था.
Hmm.
And then I used to read 2 to 3 editorials daily,
Okay. Very good. Huh.
and some business news. And that businesses wala part is really important, to be honest, because it helps in the interview too. Because most of the interviewers they didn't ask any generic question, they ask the current affairs and the business. If you have a business knowledge, they really appreciate that.
Hmm. Okay.
So if I want to give an advice, so start reading the business news.
Okay.
It really helps.
Okay, fair enough. Everyone, now you know you got to be doing your newspaper editorials, but you also got to be doing your business page. So whatever newspaper you're reading, read the business page. That's very important.
And it's just like that na, it's an MBA and it's a business. So they expect that कि थोड़ा तो पढ़ा होगा तुमने बिजनेस की क्या चल रहा है, what is going on in the
Exactly.
international market, what is going on in the national market.
Hmm.
So you have to aware of that things.
Yes, yes. You cannot come blankly and say, I want to do MBA and not know
Yeah,
anything.
exactly.
So that
So
expectation is correct.
in one of my interview, they the whole interview goes on the cryptocurrency part.
Okay.
So what is happening in the national level, what is happening in India, what is happening internationally with the cryptocurrency. So it's just like that.
Entire interview was based on that.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's very interesting, no, guys. See, whatever is happening, and this year a lot of things are happening. Last year also there were lots of things that were happening, but this year also. So you will have a lot to talk about if you can keep yourself updated about what is happening currently, and keep an eye out for the business, important business stuff. And there is lots that is happening. Okay, so that all right. Did you do any practice for RCs? Self
Yes, ma'am. I
practice.
used no. I used to read 3 to 4 hours daily.
Okay.
From yeah.
Okay, so
I used to
practicing
solve
also.
3 to 4 hours.
Okay, 3 to 4 RCs you were solving. Okay, very good, very good. So okay, so all right. So let's now cut to your calls and where all you had calls to tell us that. What all calls did you have?
So I got calls from all the baby amps,
Hmm.
and I got the cap interviews,
Hmm.
and surprisingly I got I am Lucknow call also.
Okay.
So it was a surprise for me because I am not expecting कि I am Lucknow call आएगा.
Huh.
And apart from that, yeah, that's it.
Okay. All right. Uh, let's talk about your interviews also. So how were your interviews? What all did happen? What all happened? Which was a good interview? Which was a bad interview? And tell us all about that.
So my first interview was I am Rohtak interviews.
Okay.
So it was my first interview experience, and I messed it up completely
Okay.
because it was a first interview और मुझे आइडिया नहीं था कि what they are asking me. मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि मैं एक्सपेक्ट क्या करूँ कि वो कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे मेरे से एंड ऑल. So I am Rohtak interview. They had a extempore also just
Okay.
before the interview. So they give you a topic and you have to speak about 5 minutes, around 5 minutes.
Okay.
So I forgot the topic. I'm not able to recognize. So it's just like that. So I am Rohtak interviews was goes around the current affairs part mostly.
Okay.
So initially it was my first interview. So मैं उतना प्रिपेयर नहीं था हर चीज के लिए कि I have to give current affairs. मेरे को भी पढ़ना है, current affairs ही पढ़ना है. I have to read the GK वाला part also. So I messed it up in that interview. But after that, it was my cap interview. So yeah, तो वो cryptocurrency वाला जो portion था वो मेरे cap interview में था.
अच्छा. Okay.
And I know I have read about cryptocurrency, so my cap interview was very nice.
Okay. और
And
क्या क्या पूछा था कैप इंटरव्यू में?
यस मैम, स्टार्टिंग भी कुछ से करंट अफेयर से ही हुई थी.
Okay.
सो कुछ स्टेट्स के कैपिटल्स वगैरह पूछे. देन दे आस्क्ड मी कि रेलवे मिनिस्टर्स कौन है, पास्ट थ्री, मतलब पास्ट थ्री रेलवे मिनिस्टर कौन 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 से थे इंडिया के. एंड देन इट वाज आस्क्ड बाय द फर्स्ट प्रोफेसर. देयर वर टू प्रोफेसर्स. The first professor asked me all the current affairs question, and second professor asked me about the cryptocurrency part.
Okay. And did they ask you some personal questions also, or it was nothing, no personal questions?
नो, ऐसे तो पर्सनल क्वेश्चन कुछ नहीं थे, बट आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि आई हैव अ वर्क एक्स, तो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि मेरे से वर्क एक्स वाले क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, बट सरप्राइजिंगली किसी ने नहीं पूछा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम आई एम नागपुर इंटरव्यू, बाकी किसी इंटरव्यू कॉलेज ने वर्क एक्स का क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा था.
Okay. So they just
And
asked you about current affairs and about.
मैम, वी कैन नॉट अज्यूम कि अपन लोगों से क्या क्वेश्चन वो पूछ सकते हैं. वी नेवर नो. So it depends on the mood of the professor, what they want to ask, what are they feeling at that time. उनको क्या पूछना है वो कुछ भी पूछ लेते हैं आपसे. So like for the preparation part also, कि we are going well prepared कि हाँ मैंने ये भी पढ़ लिया, मैंने वो भी पढ़ लिया. But एक टॉपिक होगा जो आपने नहीं पढ़ा है, and they will ask you that topic only on that day. तो ऐसा होता है.
हाँ, ऐसा होता है, बट ऐसा होने से कुछ नर्वस होने की जरूरत होती है क्या?
नर्वस होने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको जितना पता है यू कैन जस्ट टॉक अबाउट दैट थिंग, और अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो यू सिंपली सेड कि सर आई डोंट नो. मतलब यू कैन नॉट रैंट अबाउट थिंग्स कि हाँ ये होता होगा. कहानियां मत बनो. दे कैच यू एंड दे पॉइंटेड यू ऑन द.
Did you make a story? No. Okay.
They catch you on the point, same point. कि you don't know about this thing, so don't please don't say the whatever you want to say.
So essentially,
So if
you
you know
cannot
things, so
you cannot
yeah.
fudge the interview at all.
Yeah,
What you
yeah,
have to
exactly.
say is what you know, and if you don't know, then it's better to say it upfront.
They are interviewing students on a daily basis, like 100 or 200 students. They know who knows stuff and who doesn't know stuff. So it's just like that.
Okay. So then you should not just fake anything in an interview.
Yeah. If you, it depends on person to person again. If you're good at faking, but I'm not going to give an advice for faking things.
Okay.
If you don't know things, just simply say I don't know that. So they will be okay with that. ठीक है. मतलब सबको सब चीज नहीं पता होती, so you can say that.
Okay. So what all did they ask you about cryptocurrency? क्या क्या पूछा था?
They first asked me कि cryptocurrency, what is cryptocurrency, what is blockchain. So India में cryptocurrency as a customer, why are customer not investing in the cryptocurrency right now? And international market में cryptocurrency का क्या value है? Who are the brands who collaborated with the cryptocurrency as a payment? And what are the countries are planning to having their own cryptocurrency? So these are the questions.
Okay.
Both national और international in front.
दोनों पूछा. Okay. और क्या पूछा तुमसे फिर कैप में?
मैम यही था. कैप का तो इट्स ओवर, हाँ इतने में ओवर हो गया. देन उसके बाद I got IIM Shillong call also, right? Okay. I forgot. So yeah, IIM Shillong interview was really good, I guess, because I am a football fan and I am a football enthusiast. And the professor in the panel, he was also a football fan. So we had a 10 to 15 minute good conversation on the football itself.
Okay.
But eventually I am not able to cover it.
Okay. So why do you think you went? What happened in that interview that you did not get through?
I guess the football section wala part was good, but the other professor, I guess she was not interested that much. I don't know. I don't know, to be honest.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. It's perfectly okay that you did not know. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Let's also talk about your IIM Lucknow interview.
IIM Lucknow interview was totally different from the other. You can recognize the level of the interview with that, with the CAP interview and the IIM Lucknow. So in IIM Lucknow interview, the sir gave me two short case studies. Ki, if you are I explained one case study. They give me that you are a manager of an e-commerce site and you have a product in development. So how are you going to market that product in the market, and what are your strategies going to be on that? So yeah, he gave me that case study and gave me 5 to 10 minutes to solve that, and
Okay.
gave some. Yeah.
That's an interesting question, no? Not no GK, nothing. Now you
No,
talk it.
no.
This is a holistic knowledge. If you don't know, then you will
He
not
directly
know.
came up to the that part की case study है.
Hmm.
I am giving you this case study. You have to solve.
Okay. All right. So what did you do?
At that time, मतलब मुझे जितना knowledge था, I tried to give some answers. I don't remember exactly what did I tell them, but yeah, I give them. And they gave the second case study was on the software development life cycle. Actually, I have said to them that I know software development life cycle. What is it? So it is consisting of 5 phases and all. So they also gave me कि this is a product, you have to develop it. तो वो कैसे बनाओगे?
Okay. Life
तो
cycle
वो बताया.
पूरा.
लाइफ साइकिल.
So that I'm sure you would have done.
हाँ, वो वाला अच्छे से हो गया था, बट वो मार्केटिंग वाला इट्स प्रीटी न्यू टू मी कि आई डोंट नो कि किस कस्टमर सेगमेंटेशन क्या होना चाहिए एंड ऑल. मतलब वो अभी मैं लर्न कर लिया है, मैंने अभी पढ़ लिया.
STP
उस
पढ़ा
टाइम
दिया
मुझे आई
तुमको.
डोंट नो. हाँ हाँ, वो उस टाइम मुझे उतना था नहीं आइडिया. So
Okay. So they gave you
and
these two
after
case
that,
studies.
my last interview was IIM Nagpur interview.
Okay.
So IIM Nagpur interview was completely on the WorkX part. So the professor gave me the scenarios in the working environment in the business. Ki if it is there's a scenario ki like you are a manager and your employees are not working like that or किसी के साथ कुछ हो रहा है, so what will you do on that scenario? तो वो भी अच्छा लगा पकड़ it.
Okay. 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 Wonderful. तो मतलब तुम्हारे इंटरव्यूज अच्छे गए मोर और लेस. फाइनल सिलेक्शंस कहाँ कहाँ पे हुआ तुम्हारा?
All BBMs converted, and I am Kashipur. I am Raipur, Trichy. I got waitlisted. I am Kashipur. I got converted, and I am Lucknow. Maybe I am waitlisted.
Okay. All right. Okay. Fair enough. All right. So let's now talk about what's happening in your life now. It's been 2 weeks.
Yeah. It's been 2 weeks. Our induction starts from 1st July. 1st of July. Our induction started from 1st of July.
Okay.
So first to 12th July, our induction takes place. So in induction, so we have to meet our seniors daily at night. So they tell us about all the things, what are the committees in the clubs and all. And on each day, we have given 3 to 4 assignment daily in the group.
Okay.
So our college actually starts from the induction only. So my average sleep would be around 3 to 4 hours on that period.
Seriously.
We got assignment at 2 a.m. also, and we have to submit at 4 a.m.
I've
That
heard
way.
of that. Yes, they do that. There are some profs who
And
will give an assignment at 12 in the night and say, okay, सुबह
yes,
जमा
ma'am.
करना है. But that's
They
what the
used to say
rigor
us
is.
कि ये used to say us कि ज़्यादा मत सोना
हाँ,
और मेल चेक करते रहना,
हाँ,
तुमको कभी भी कुछ भी आ सकता है.
हाँ. Okay. So 12 days of induction and now classes have started full-fledged.
Yeah, classes.
Are tell us where have you joined also? The students don't know
I
where
have
you
taken I am Kashipur now.
Okay, so you've joined
Yes.
IIM Kashipur, and your batch is how many people in your batch?
There are two batches. There are MBA core and MBA business analytics.
Okay.
So for the first year, so all I have the same subjects.
Okay.
So in the MBA core, the strength is around 250 to 60 around.
Okay.
I'm not able to remember the correct figure. It's 250 to 60, and MBA BA has around 70 to 80.
Okay. All right. So that around 340 odd people in your batch.
Yes.
Okay. And everybody is getting an assignment in the night, and now you have to submit in the morning. And
Ma'am, first assignment जब मिला था, actually the induction starts on 1st July, but we get first assignment on the previous day, actually on the 30th June in the evening.
Okay.
मतलब induction चालू भी नहीं हुआ, we get the assignment before it.
Okay. So are you
So
now used to the assignments?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So no more problems, huh? Just doing all
No,
the
no.
assignments.
Actually, the induction part was very beneficial for the student itself because they the whole process जो भी रहता है
Hmm.
उससे यूज टू हो जाता है, मतलब स्टूडेंट यूज टू हो जाते हैं उससे स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज कोई भी कोप अप नहीं कर सकता। एमबीए, टू बी ऑनेस्ट एमबीए इज टफ, बट फॉर अगर आप 1 या 2 महीने उसको करोगे ना तो यू विल इंडल्ज इन द प्रोसेस।
Hmm.
सो फिर उसके बाद नहीं लगता आपको टफ। फॉर इनिशियल पार्ट इट इज टफ
Hmm.
सबके लिए, बिकॉज वी यूज्ड टू स्लीप some people used to say 8 to 9 hours,
Hmm.
but now the average sleep hours will be 3 to 4 hours for everyone,
For everyone. Yes, yes, yes.
and you
Well,
have to
last
compete
year
with
when
others
I
too.
used to ask you guys to study, तो everybody used to tell me, मैम 8 घंटे तो सोना है, तो 8 घंटे सोने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है ना?
The seniors told us that one day the seniors told us ki how many hours you guys sleeping. So some would say ki 8 hours, 9 hours. So they used to laugh on us
Hmm.
कि बोले ये 8 घंटे, हमको हमको 4 घंटे ही मिल जाए तो वो भी बहुत है। They used to say us that like. So for the seniors it's like कि 3 to 4 hours is enough for an MBA.
Hmm.
If you are doing a proper MBA, like you are studying, you are submitting the assignment on, तो 3 to 4 या 5 hours sleep is good. अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो तो फिर अलग बात है।
हाँ, नहीं कर रहे तो फिर तो कुछ भी चिल है ना?
हाँ फिर तो चल है।
हाँ, फिर तो चिल है, बट अगर
बट
आप कर
मैम वो
सको।
एक चीज हो जाती है, कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस बढ़ जाती है, मतलब आप अपने पीयर्स को देखते हो कि दे आर आल्सो गिविंग 100%, तो वी हैव टू गिव 100% टू ऑन दैट फील्ड। सो इवेंचुअली करते हैं, सभी करते हैं।
ऑलराइट, सो अभी आज एज ऑफ नाउ आज तुम्हारे यहाँ क्या चल रहा है? आज भी क्लासेस थी?
नहीं, वी हैव हॉलीडेज ऑन सैटरडे संडे,
ओह,
so the classes were Monday to Friday, but Saturday Sunday was not free. Actually, we have to submit assignments for Monday. We have pre-reads for whole sub pre-reads for next week also. So and we have to study for मतलब for our own subject also from the books and all. So we are not free.
so there is a lot of self studying to be done, there is a lot of assignments to be done, so Sunday is not really Sunday
No,
is still
no.
a working day.
We have
and-
actually we have live project, live projects आना भी चालू हो गए हैं, so we have live
Okay.
projects also.
Okay.
So and the coming 1 to 2 months there will be summer intern.
I know you must be
going
going in
on.
for internships also, so CVs must
Yeah,
be
yeah.
being made. They must
Yes,
have already
ma'am.
asked you for the CV.
Certification भी करने हैं for building CVs.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
we don't have much time to relax.
All right,
Right
but
now.
you know what, Shashank, I'm so happy to see you, and I'm so happy to see you happy in your B school. That's what ultimately our goal is, that you should be in a B school and you should be happy about it and you should feel very excited and energized about it.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just waiting for कि campus में कब बुलाएंगे. That's it. Because I am Kashipur campus is very awesome. It's
अच्छा,
really
oh,
beautiful.
okay.
Yeah.
मैं तो I've only seen I am Lucknow campus and MDI campus, and I really love I am Lucknow campus. It's a beautiful campus. I've never been to Kashipur, of course. तो अभी जब तुम चले जाओगे तो फिर maybe I'll come and visit you there.
Ma'am, the Jim Corbett National Park was just around 30 kilometers from campus.
Oh,
30
then
to
you're in
40.
a lovely place. Yes, yes, yes. The entire area is very beautiful.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so any expectation when you will go to campus?
So in the college, the seniors are called in the college in the phases. So there are around 120 seniors already in the campus right now.
Okay.
So first they will call all the seniors, and then
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 your
the
turn
juniors.
will come. But hopefully by the end of September, October, you should all be there.
हाँ, इतना पता है, मैं first sem would be online.
First sem would be online. Okay. So second sem se ho
So
jayega.
after that, yeah, if the third wave doesn't come, so fingers crossed on
All
that.
right. So let's cross our fingers and hope that you
Yeah.
will be able to go to your campus, the lovely place that it is, and not have to
Yes.
spend your MBA in your homes. Like last year वाले लोगों ने तो पूरा 1 साल तो बिता ही दिया है घर में, तो
Yes,
तुम्हारे
ma'am.
सीनियर
Yes.
बैच जो है वो बेचारे वैसे ही होंगे कि 1 साल से घर में थे and now they've just come to the campus. So
Yes, ma'am. कोई भी events भी नहीं हो पाए थे, ma'am. They are really excited for the hosting events also for us.
obviously,
So
obviously. All right, Shashank, thank you so much. You have given such a lot of your time, And I think whatever you have told about your experience, students out there who are now preparing, who are at this juncture, they're preparing, there are lots of doubts that everybody has. So when somebody like you comes and very clearly explains step by step what is happening, I think बहुत लोगों को फायदा होगा. मॉक्स के बारे में तुम्हारा जो डिस्कशन है, प्रेप के बारे में है, कॉलेज के बारे में, all of that I think will be very very helpful.
One thing I want to say मतलब to all कि I am not a topper, to be honest. मतलब from the school itself I am not a topper, I am an average guy. मुझे एवरेज परसेंटेज ही आए थे इन द ग्रेजुएशन in all my academics. So if I can do it, so anyone can do it. This was like
wonderful. Thank you, Shashank. What you've said is so right, guys. All of you out there, see, it's not just about your percentage, your percentile. There are lots of things that make a call. That there are lots of things that make a result. It's now your turn to be putting in the hard work. Put in that hard work now. You will also be, maybe next year we'll be sitting across like this and we will be having an interview with you also. So if you do want to come here next year and be on an interview just like this, then all you have to do is just study as much as you can, do your preparation, do your mocks, and just trust God, and that's it. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Shashank, for joining us. Guys and girls, I'll just leave Shashank. But Shashank, I want you to give one final advice to everyone.
Just work hard. मतलब negative feelings का don't get the negative feelings into you. Just work hard, just study, and the result will come. That's it.
All right, guys. See, that's Shashank for you from IIM Kashipur. Hope soon, hopefully, he will be in campus. And guys, if you have any questions, any queries you wish to ask him or me, you can drop that in the comment box. We will keep an eye out for those and try to answer them right away. Thank you, everybody, for joining us today. Let's crack it.